Okay, so today we're going to learn how to I'm gonna teach you how to make a pickup that the third person character can pick up. Okay, so first create an actor called pickup. Okay, and then add in a cylinder or whatever shape. You can also do a static mesh. You can put in like a 90 degrees like that, and scale it down 0.2 by 0.2. Okay. How big is that? That's, maybe put this to 0.1 by 0.1. Okay. And then put it somewhere in the world. Then put a collision, capsule collision, and like resize it, radius, bring it down, then bring the half light up. Okay, actually maybe the opposite. Maybe add in a sphere collision. Just any type of collision you want. Okay, and now what we want to do is select this, right click, do add event for sphere collision on component, begin overlap. We want to other actor, want to cast to third person character. Then we want to do here we want to do attach, not our sphere, but we want to do attach to components, attach actor to component, and then we want to connect this to here, target self parent third person. So parent is the parent to attach to. So we're gonna do if we alt click that and disable that, we're gonna do get mesh. Okay, and we should be able to plug this into parent, and then we want to create a socket in the mannequin character mesh. Not that, wrong one. This here. Okay, open that up, and in the skeleton tree we want to do a right hand, add a socket, right hand, add socket, and position it there. Copy that name, paste it in the socket, and now if we go here, we should be able to get that, but it disappears, right? So first we want to do location rules, snap to target, rotation, snap to target, scale rule, snap to target. Okay, so now if we get this, it's going to be attached to our hand, and it's gonna kind of grow too. So first, snap rule, wanna in a scale we wanna keep the relative. We don't wanna change the scale, so our scale is not the same. But first, what we're gonna do is move the socket to, so bring it here, about there, and yeah, that's like, you can put like an animation for an animation to do that and stuff like that, but you know, that's like the pickup. And then now if we open the third person character, and we can do a boolean is holding object, and when we pick it up, we want to do set is holding object to true. Okay, and now when we want to we press D, keyboard D, when I press that, I'm gonna do set is holding object to false. Okay, then now what we want to do is third person is holding object to false, then do third person character or event tick. We want to do branch, sorry, want to do is holding into false, and want to set here, I'm gonna promote this to a variable and call it is being held. Okay, then what we should do is when here, when E is pressed, keyboard E is pressed, want to do set is being held to false, and we want to detach from actor. Okay, and then we want to do detach from actor. But the problem is, now when we press E, the thing doesn't get input. Want to possess this, receive input, player 0. Okay. So now if we get it, we'll have some weird things, but press E, we detach, and just everything breaks. Why? This is why. So this is receiving input right now, and this still has collision, so it's blocking my character. So when here, before we attach, we wanna set collision enabled cylinder to no collision. Okay, so now that problem's gone. Okay, so now we wanna set these to keep world and keep world. If we now detach, it's detached, and now again if we get that, but there's only one problem: the rotation doesn't reset. So we wanna set actor rotation to, here we wanna do get actor rotation. This is how much? It's 11 minutes. I should wrap this tutorial up quickly. X roll. Sorry. The Z. We wanna plug in get actor rotation Z. Yeah. We wanna put the X 0, Y 0. Okay. So now if we pick it up, we do E. There's that. But it doesn't go to the ground. So we want to do line trace by channel. We wanna do get actor location. Then we want to do get forward vector. So get up vector, get actor up vector, and do multiply by negative, whatever it is, 1 million or whatever that number is I just typed. And then we want to add this vector, so get up vector, multiply by negative whatever, and then put this in plus into the end. Then we want to get out hit. If we hit, we want to do a branch, and then want to do a break, and the location we want to do set actor location. Okay, so now if we do this, press E, this goes to the ground. Now if we pick it up again, that happens, and on different surfaces this also works. E goes to the ground again. But yeah, basically that's it. But there's only one problem. When we pick this up and we press E, it's going half through the ground. So we want to do location plus vector, and on the z-axis we want to plus 100. Let's say. Now if we press E, almost there. We haven't even compiled. Sorry. E, it's kind of there. You could do 6 E point 5. Was that compiled? Yeah. Now if we press E, still on the ground, and we should probably put this to be on the ground as well. So see 5 and not the rotation. Set rotation 1.135, and then we could make the sphere collision a bit bigger, like the radius, a bit bigger like this. So now that's basically the end of the tutorial. Yeah, basically that's it. Bye. 15 minutes.